Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Venus, rules Taurus, Libra, exaltation Pisces, detriment Aries, fall Scorpio, responsible, love, sex, married, property, GIF, mirror of vanity of the goddess Venus, represents, social urge, sense of value, anatomy, throat, chin, cheeks, sense of taste, kidneys, ovaries, internal reproductive organs, venous blood circulation, sensory organs of skin. Keyword, affection. General, never located more than 46 degrees distant from the Sun. Venus is the planet of love. In early times it was called the lesser benefit. Rules art, culture, aesthetics, possessions, partners, beauty, charm, good taste, sentimentality, sweets and sugar, color, harmony, poetry, paintings, jewelry, singing, drama and music. Venus's action is gentle and harmonious. Governs emotional contacts, tenderness, moral character, marriage and unions of all kinds. Also, sociability, disposition, luxuries, pleasure and appreciation. Venus is the planet of love and sensuality, not sex. Where you find Venus in the chart shows what you really enjoy. 7th house, you. It shows the other person. Married, partnerships, public relations, open enemies, other people. Natural sign is Libra. Natural ruler is Venus. Keyword is cooperation. 7th house is a house of side-by-side relationships and air. Quality is angular house. General. The 7th house shows both business partnerships and marriage, divorce, contracts, lawsuits, negotiations, agreements, any deal with the public and public response. It shows your open enemies, your cooperation with others or your lack of cooperation. It shows what you lack most in yourself, because it faces the first home that shows your strongest personality traits. This home shows your attitude towards marriage, your spouse, the type and quality of marriage, and how many marriages you can have. It also shows your grandparents and anyone acting as your agent or on your behalf. Venus in the 7th house. When the planet Venus is placed in the 7th house of your natal chart, any relationship, whether personal or business, takes a strong place in your life. Even if you have an independent side in your nature, you are more likely to seek a partner than to remain single. Depending on other influences in your natal chart, you're likely to have a lucky marriage or perhaps get married early in your life. Any argument is short-lived. The only problem here is that you may be more likely to submit to your partner's will because of your preference for peace and harmony. You have to make sure you stand up for your beliefs and try to find a just solution to the conflict. You also like to organize pleasant trips for you and your loved ones. It's not just your primary relationship that's helpful. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.